Hello everyone. Now come to our next topic, function. Earlier we have done Cartesian product of two sets, then relation, now function. In its definition, a relation f from a set A to a set B is said to be a function. If every element of A has one and only one image in set B. Every element of A set, first set, has one and only one image in set B. Now I will tell you what are images. Let us suppose we are having here some set. Here A is there, here B is there, here C is there. Let it be your A set. It be your B set. Here suppose FA is there, FB is there, FC is there. These elements A function with B, B function with B, C function with FC. Now these are pre-images. And these pre-images must have some, and these are images. These are pre-images and these are images. Suppose here we are having three elements. So what here written? Every element of A must have some image in set B. A is having image here FA, B is having image FB, C is having image FC. In other words, we can say that a function f is a relation. Function is a relation from a non-empty set A to a non-empty set B such that domain of f in A and no two distinct ordered pair in F have the same first element. What is written here means if we are having A set, only one element is there, and B set we are having 2 and 3. So if we are having A is having relation with 2 also, A is having 1 is having relation with 2 also, 1 is having relation with 3. So in R, what we are having? In R we are having 1 with 2 and 1 with 3. So this relation is not a function. This relation is not a function. Why? Because here we have written domain F in A and no two distinct ordered pair in F have the same first element. Here we are having two ordered pair whose first element is same. If first element is same, this element is different, and that particular relation is not a function. I will give you one example. Suppose you are having two sets. Here we are having student 1, student 2, student 3. Here we are having school 1, school 2, school 3. Now one student can't go into school. So this type of relation is not a function. Once again I will repeat. Suppose we are having a set in which we are having 3 students. Once again I will repeat. Suppose in a set we are having 3 students, S1, F2, F3, and B set we are having set of schools, school 1, school 2, school 3. One student can't go into school 1, school 2. So that type of relation is not a function. Now I will give you 3 examples by which you never forget which relation is a function. Now S1, one student can't go into school, so this relation is not a function. One student can go in one school, second student can go in second school, third student can go in third school. So this type of relation is a function. Third one student can go in one school, second student can go in one school, third student can go in one school. So this type of relation is also a function. So now I am giving you 3 examples by which you never forget which relations are a function. Now what we are getting? Now we are getting A cross B. A cross B is a subset of R, and R is a subset of function F, and function F from A to B. Here suppose x1, x2, x3 is there. Here y1, y2, y3 is there. This one is having relation with this, this one is having relation with this, this one is having relation with this. So this relation can be a function. So how we will represent it? F from A to B means when we are applying any element, then we are getting one element in B, means fx1 is equal to y1, fx2 is equal to y2, and fx3 is equal to y3. Now come to our next topic, domain, range and codomain of function. Let us consider 2 examples. Here we are having A set, here we are having B set. In A set we are having 1, 2, 3 element, here we are having 4, 5, 6. Now domain of this function is equal to 1, 2 and 3, and range of this function is equal to 4, 5 and 6, and codomain of this function is equal to 4, 5 and 6. This we have already done in previous topic relation. Same we are having here. Now I will give you one more example. In A set, suppose we are having 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we are having 4, 5 and 9. So suppose 1 is having relation with this, 5 is having relation with this, 3 is having relation with this. So this relation is not a function. Why? Because what we have written in definition, every element of A must have one and only one image in B. Here 4 is having no image, so this relation is not a function. Thank you. Thanks.